Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos, where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing choices. We must first start with the understanding and appreciation that for some people, the ideas presented here will be different than what they have been told about up to this point. This will cause those of you to question your old paradigm and hopefully begin living in a new, healthier paradigm. For many people, their old paradigm is this: live the standard American lifestyle and then take a pill for every ill, basing their health on how they look and how they feel. What is being presented here is that the standard American lifestyle contributes to many health ailments, and that we should be wise to purposefully live a healthier lifestyle to both improve upon your current level of health and reduce the risk of future health ailments, basing your health on the rules of healthy living, current research, and occasional testing. You see, we have to face the reality that much of life boils down to the choices we make, and we must fully understand the impact of these choices on our health. These choices are not just a one-moment decision. These choices result in a path leading us down to predictable outcomes. Like choosing to smoke leads you down a path that increases your risk of COPD, asthma, cancer, and other health concerns. Our choices put us on a path. Paths have a predetermined destination. One path leads to poor health and disease, while another path leads to increased energy, vitality, and overall higher quality of life. So I ask you, which path are you on? Or should I say, which path are you choosing to be on? Remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? And this can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.